Hey everyone, if your Victorola record player is running too fast, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it in just a few simple steps. Let's get your turntable spinning at the right speed. Check and set the correct speed using the speed selection switcher near the turn arm. Then try manually adjust the motor speed using the calibration dial or adjustment screw under the turntable base. If these steps don't resolve the issue, the speed control or a motor may need servicing. Why Victorola record player too fast? Incorrect speed selection settings on the switch can cause the turntable to spin too fast. Using a non-original or mismatched power adapter can lead to motor speed issues. A worn or improperly installed belt in belt-driven models or incorrect internal speed calibration can also make the player run too fast. Fix 1. Check the speed selection switch. Ensure the speed selector is set to the correct speed for your record 33 1 by 3 45 or 78 rpm. Accidentally setting it to a higher speed will make playback too fast. Fix 2. Level the turntable. Place the Victorola on a perfectly flat, stable surface. An uneven or slanted surface can affect the motor speed. Fix 3. Clean and inspect mechanism. Dust and debris can interfere with the speed control. Clean the turntable and its components thoroughly. Use a carbon fiber brush in a circular motion to remove surface dust for a deeper clean. Apply a vinyl specific cleaning solution, gently rotating the record with the brush. Always ensure the record is completely dry before playing using a soft microfiber cloth if needed and avoid harsh chemicals or tap water. Fix 4. Adjust the motor speed manually. Many Victorola models have a manual speed calibration dial or adjustment screws. Unplug the player and remove the screws at the corner to lift the base. Look for a small white circular dial or holes marked L low or 33 rpm and M medium or 45 rpm near the motor. Use a small flathead screwdriver to turn the dial or screws clockwise, usually increases speed, counterclockwise decreases it. Make small adjustment and test playback after each tweak. If your model has hole labeled H, which is a high or 45 rpm, and low, which is for low or 33 rpm, adjust the appropriate one for your record speed. Here is the note: opening the unit may avoid your warranty. Fix 5. Inspect the belt if applicable. Sometimes the issue might be with the vinyl itself. Test another record to rule this out. Also, for a belt-driven models, a worn or a stretched belt can cause speed problems. Replace the belt if it appears loose or damaged. Fix 6. Replace faulty components. If the speed switch or a motor is faulty, replacing these parts may be necessary. Contact Victorola and respective service person to replace the component. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.